Welcome to Dr. SNS, Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. Today, I'm going to explain about the continuation of the previous topic, that is advantages and the benefits, the features of online banking. So the previous videos we have so many advantages, benefits, why it is important at present scenario. So let us see the some basic other additional advantages on online banking. The internet banking has become a long way since its initial uh, concept, and the view is to reach each and every customer and make easy access. So, whenever you choose to bank on an app or a website, there are a lot of you will be getting some delay in the transactions, and maybe many queues in the transactions. It takes very time taking process. So think about actually having we are wasting our time, and in this busy world we are so uh, we are so fast in the future. So we are having some other related informations about how we can make very easy in our present day-to-day life transactions. So it is very access your account in a 24 by 7. So one of the biggest advantage of the online banking is that you can access your account 24 by 7. Means wherever you are, as long as you have an internet connections, you can log on and check your financial transactions. So not only you can you do, it will be in a holiday, or it is a time, or there is no working hours, but you are also won't have a worry about the bank opening timings or leaves or any other occasion. So you can transact at any time. So that is the most important, and the customers they prefer so anytime transactions. Then bank on your phone or your hand, we can say that you don't have to sit up at a computer or go to the some center for doing these transactions. By with your hands gadgets you can do your transactions. So websites are adopted for the mobile applications, so easily you can transact, and it is very user friendly, we can say that. So it's quick and easy transactions, and we can say that it will not take much time. So online apps, when you immediate logins, it will ask some basic questions and you have to give the security password ID. So immediately you can do it. It is very quick. Keep on top of your finance. Nothing but top. Online banking means you are able to keep a top of your finance for more easy, and able to check your balances quickly. And yeah, additionally, it is easier to check any unauthorized purchases whether you are done or not. So immediately you can raise a complaints, pay bills and make payments, transfer money between the accounts. So these are the common benefits which we can go through with the benefits of your transaction on the online banking. So apart from this, it is a more efficient, and we can say that it is more efficient, and it is accurate processing is happening between the bank and the customers. And it is nothing but in a you can easily access at any place anywhere, not only when you are out or when you are home or office. Anytime you can access easily. So the same time, we have other uh, cons also, nothing but some backlogs, like lack of personal relationship. Nothing but we are losing the personal relationship with the people due to the online transaction. We doesn't know the people who are doing all the things for us. So when we go to the bank regularly, we may have the touch with the managers and the people those who are helping for us. So we are now we are losing the such kind of relationship. So that is one of the disadvantages. And there is a shortage of ATM usages. And ATMs are very limitedly their customers and the general publics are using. So when we see the both the sides is having the positive as well as the some negative points. But if you make this also positive, so everywhere we can see our changes in the present scenario. Thank you.